YouTube is the second largest search engine on the planet next to Google Search. So wouldn't it be incredibly valuable to not only pop up on Google Search but also on YouTube? The answer is absolutely. Even if you have under 1,000 or even 100 subscribers, you can generate significant business by investing 1 to 5 hours per week into YouTube as an organic sales and marketing channel. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can grow your business leveraging YouTube. Okay, so just quickly, before we go ahead and launch into YouTube, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into this YouTube guide designed for small businesses. Okay, so to leverage a YouTube channel to grow your small business, it's important to understand 5 key components. The first is picking the right niche, then creating and setting up your channel correctly, posting consistently, short and long, building topical authority, and leveraging other external channels. And I'm going to cover each of these 5 key components today. A bit of background on me when it comes to leveraging YouTube. I've been able to create a profitable service-based business as well as an e-commerce business by leveraging YouTube. So whether you sell a service or you sell digital or physical products, you can leverage YouTube to grow your business. And you do not need thousands or even just hundreds of subscribers, and you don't need thousands of views. A small channel under 100 subscribers can create a significant impact in your business. Okay, so we first want to take a look at picking the right niche. Whether you're an affiliate, you're in gardening, maybe you sell digital products or templates, you could even be in the wine business or you're a builder. Maybe you sell software, or you could be a Google Ads agency or a web design agency. No matter what type of small business you operate, you can leverage YouTube. For example, this is one of my e-commerce businesses called Sheetify CRM, Ultimate Google Sheets CRM. Essentially what this is an ever-evolving Google Sheets CRM that I've created a YouTube channel for. Now, if we navigate up to analytics, you can see that over the past 7 days, this channel received over 140 views. And this channel itself only has 92 subscribers and 13 videos. However, this YouTube channel generates 1 to 3 sales per day. And the niche that I'm targeting is Google Sheets CRM. And this is a specific template that I sell. However, if we look at my main channel, which has over 250,000 subscribers and over 470 videos, this channel obviously started out small. 3 to 4 years ago, this channel only had a couple of hundred subscribers. However, this is the channel that I used to build my digital marketing agency. So my niche was creating digital content to help small businesses. I've been providing education in the form of tutorials so that my audience could DIY their own marketing or web design activities. However, if someone watched one of my tutorials or how-to guides and they decided it was too difficult for them to execute themselves, then they would reach out to me because I was building a brand, a personality on YouTube. I create educational content. So many people watching my videos would then reach out to our brand and they would convert into a paying customer. And that showed me the power of leveraging YouTube to grow my small service-based business. YouTube was the channel that was the turning point for our service-based brand. So what you want to do is first choose a niche. The more specific and targeted your niche, the better. For example, my Google Sheets CRM template, I've built a channel specifically around that template. Okay, so once you've established exactly what your niche is, whether it's a new niche or it's a niche that you've developed from your current brand, we then want to look at creating a channel. Now, there are tons of YouTube videos online that show you how to create a YouTube channel. However, a few important things that I want to mention in terms of setting up your channel correctly for success. Make sure that the About section on your YouTube channel has keywords that you want to target. Think about the keywords or search terms that your potential customers are searching on Google search or YouTube search to find content based around your niche. You also want to make sure that your channel name is your business name, and you want to add appropriate links. Your first link should be a link to your website. Then you can add your other social media links. And you also want to add your correct business information. Also, in terms of your channel branding, you want to make sure that your cover image is responsive across devices and it's clear in terms of what your channel provides. You also want to add your profile image. This could be a logo for your business. Okay, so now that you've picked a niche and you've set up your channel correctly, next we want to talk about posting consistently. In order to grow your brand, to grow your YouTube channel, you want to create a plan that allows you to be consistent long term. For example, with this channel, I post 2 videos every week and I have done so for the last 3 years. And consistency is one of the most important factors when building a channel. Consistency shows your audience that you're showing up on a regular basis, and it also tells Google that you are an authority on your specific niche as you are consistently adding new content to your channel. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to post 2 videos every week. Being consistent varies between person to person, business to business. If you can post 1 video per week, then stick to that. If you can only post 1 video per month, then that will be your posting schedule. But you want to be consistent with that schedule. Ideally, if possible, if you can create consistency by posting 1 video per week, that is going to be optimal. If not, then you can drag out the period of posting content. You just want to make sure that you're consistent over that period. And it's a long-term game. You want to focus on years, not months. And building a brand leveraging YouTube is a long-term game. It can take months before you start seeing momentum, or it can even take years. Most likely you'll start seeing momentum and results within the first few months. Now, in terms of content, you want to focus on both short content, and this is vertical format content that is under 1 minute. On YouTube, this is called shorts, and shorts are great for discoverability. Now, depending on the niche that you're in, you also want to create long form content, and you want to focus on education first. How can you educate your audience by creating shorts as well as long form horizontal content? Maybe you can create review-based content, tutorials, how-to, or sharing your advice and expertise. As a small brand, a small business, and leveraging YouTube, you want to focus on educating your audience. When you educate your audience, you're building expertise. And that expertise leads to authority and credibility. Again, you want to educate, become an expert, then build authority and credibility. And by building this brand on YouTube, subscribers, viewers, fans, visitors that are interested in your niche, the product or service that you're offering, will reach out to you either now or in the future and buy from you. So again, remember to be consistent, create YouTube shorts. These are vertical format videos that are under 1 minute for discoverability. And then you also want to leverage long form videos. These are long form horizontal video content over 1 minute long. Okay, so now that we understand the importance of creating a schedule and posting consistently, let's talk about targeting and building topical authority. Now, because YouTube is organic, people will either be suggested our content or they will search for our content on Google search or YouTube search. We want to make sure that we're building topical authority. This means that we have authority and expertise in a specific niche, a specific topic. For example, with this brand, Google Sheets CRM, all the content that we create, the keyword that we're focusing on is Google Sheets CRM. This is the topic that we're focusing on. A subtopic is Google Sheets. So a lot of the content that we create is tutorial-based content, how-to content around Google Sheets. However, the content that we're creating around Google Sheets is relevant to a CRM, our Google Sheets CRM. So every video talks about our Sheetify CRM, which is our digital product. For example, let's say you're a Google Ads manager, or you run a Google Ads agency or other paid agency. Then what you would do is create video content, shorts, and long form content around Google Ads, how to set up a good Google Ads campaign, how to optimize Google Ads campaign, talk about the different types of campaigns. There is so much content that you can create. And remember, all you're doing is you're educating your audience. You're showing them how they can do it themselves. If they need deeper level attention on their ads, who are they going to reach out to? They're going to reach out to you because they learned from you. They were exposed to the free content that you were providing them. And if they got value in that content, then you have built a powerful indirect relationship. So again, focus on topical authority. And this happens happens naturally when you pick a niche, a specific niche, and you're creating content consistently. You're going to start building this authority, this credibility, this expertise in that one topic, that one niche. So again, think about the niche that you're in and create content specifically around that niche. And all your videos will link back to your brand. So remember when I mentioned adding keywords into the About section of your YouTube channel? You also want to make sure that you have an in-depth description for each of your videos. Make sure that you have targeted keywords in your title. This is going to help with topical authority as well as inside your description. For example, if we click on this video here and then come down to our description, you can see my targeted keywords is Sheetify CRM. This is the name of my business, but the topical authority that I want to build up is the topic around Google Sheets and Google Sheets CRM. So if we come down here, you can see I have my business name. Then if I come down here, you can see I have Google Sheets CRM, Google Sheets again over here, my business name, and then more keywords and relevant information about this brand. You can also see I've linked other tutorials. And this is what we call video internal linking. This is going to help you build that topical authority to your other YouTube videos that are relevant to this video. Last but not least, you want to leverage other social media channels. That way you can reach other potential customers by sharing your videos across different platforms. This is also going to send social proof back to your video and allows you to ultimately reach more potential customers. This could be sharing your video on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, in your LinkedIn profile or company page, as well as embedding your YouTube videos on your website. This is a strategy that we leverage with all our YouTube videos. You can see on the Stewart Gauld brand, we embed our YouTube videos in our website posts. And with the Sheetify CRM brand, you can see that every time we create a post, we also embed that video inside the post, and then we link that video back inside the YouTube video description. And this is powerful internal linking between your website and your YouTube channel. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this ultimate YouTube guide for small businesses. Again, no matter what type of business that you run, you can leverage YouTube to grow your business online, to drive more sales, to drive more bookings, to ultimately grow your brand. And remember, you do not need hundreds or thousands of subscribers or views because you have a targeted niche and you're driving relevant views from those that are interested in your product, service, or your brand. And there we have it for this YouTube guide for small businesses. Now, if you have any questions about this video, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.